Think you know how to brush your teeth? Think again. You're about to discover 5 shocking truths that will make you rethink everything about your daily routine. From unexpected health risks to surprising mistakes, you do not want to miss this. Let's dive in. Shocking fact number 1. You're probably brushing at the wrong time. You just finished your morning coffee, so you brush your teeth right away. Sounds smart, right? Wrong. Brushing immediately after acidic foods or drinks actually weakens your enamel. You're basically scrubbing acid into your teeth. Dentists recommend waiting at least 30 minutes before brushing. Let your saliva do its magic first. Shocking fact number 2. More toothpaste doesn't mean cleaner teeth. More foam, more clean? Nope. Using too much toothpaste can actually be harmful, especially for kids. Excess fluoride can lead to a condition called fluorosis, which stains your teeth permanently. The right amount? A pea-sized drop for adults, and just a tiny smear for kids under 6. Shocking fact number 3. Your toothbrush is a bacteria magnet. This one's disgusting. Your toothbrush can hold millions of bacteria, including E. coli and Staphylococcus. Yikes! And if you're storing it in the bathroom near the toilet? Let's just say every flush sends a bacterial mist into the air. Solution? Keep your toothbrush far from the toilet, let it air dry, and replace it every 3 months. Shocking fact number 4. You're probably brushing too hard. Scrubbing harder doesn't mean cleaner teeth. It means damaged gums. Overbrushing can cause gum recession, making your teeth look longer and more sensitive. Instead, use gentle, circular motions and let the bristles do the work. Trust me, your gums will thank you. Shocking. Fact number 5. Mouthwash might be sabotaging your oral health. Wait, mouthwash is bad? Not exactly. But if you're using alcohol-based mouthwash daily, you might be stripping away your mouth's natural defenses. Some mouthwashes kill both bad and good bacteria, leading to dry mouth and even bad breath. Instead, go for alcohol-free options with fluoride to keep your mouth healthy without the side effects. Mind blown! You're not alone. These small mistakes can add up, but now you know the secrets to healthier teeth and gums. So tell me, did any of these surprise you? Drop a comment below. And if you found this eye-opening, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more mind-blowing health facts. Stay smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.